Hello, Cinepolis fans. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. Thor is back in an all-new movie. Marvel Studios' Thor, Love and Thunder.
And I am so excited and honored to be taking on the role.
Well, I don't know about taking on the role. I'll still be there playing Thor, original OJ.
Well, I play the mighty Thor, so Thor, but mightier.
Yeah, but I'm still the Asgardian god who can wield the power of Stormbreaker, harness the power of thunder, and defend the galaxy from all and any threats.
I mean, same.
Don't miss Thor, Love and Thunder. See you at Cinepolis.